Ever wondered how to make a delicious apricot nectar cake? A cake so moist and flavorful that it becomes the star of any gathering? Well, your curiosity is about to be satisfied. Start by turning up the heat. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, and prepare a bundt cake pan by greasing and flouring it. Next, it's time to prepare the cake batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Set this aside for now. In a separate, larger mixing bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Now, add in 4 large eggs, one at a time, and make sure to beat the mixture well after each addition. Stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Your mixture is slowly coming together. The dry ingredients you set aside earlier, it's time to gradually add them to the wet ingredients. Do this in parts, alternating with a cup of apricot nectar, and make sure to begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Pour this batter into the prepared bundt pan and bake in the preheated oven for around 55 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While your cake cools, prepare the glaze. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of apricot nectar, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir constantly. Once your cake is cooled, it's time for the finishing touch. Place it on a serving plate and pour the apricot nectar glaze over the top, letting it drizzle down the sides. Slice the apricot nectar cake and serve each piece with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream if desired. And there you have it, a moist, flavorful apricot nectar cake perfect for any occasion. The apricot nectar adds a unique and delightful touch to the classic bundt cake. Enjoy this sweet indulgence.